Yo,
Hello.
hello, what's good?
Not much. I just slept in.
Oh, man, what's new? You've always done that.
What am I supposed to do? I missed class.
Oh, we just did a total station, but it's pretty straightforward, bro.
Oh, okay. So what do I do now?
I'll just send you a link to a YouTube video and you can watch it from there for our assignment.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Thank you. Just send me the
Okay,
YouTube
no
video.
problem. Alright.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Today, you will learn how to set up a total station. First things first, before you grab your instruments, make sure you're wearing your safety vest. This will help keep you visible to drivers and pedestrians and is the first layer of safety involving you and others. The equipment you will need is the total station itself, a tripod, and a measuring tape. Once you've arrived at the benchmark you will be working at, it is time to set up the tripod, which is what the total station will be secured to. Unclip the strap holding the legs together. Open the locks keeping the length of the legs in place, and set up your tripod so that the legs are decently wide apart for stability, and the head of the tripod is level and centered over the benchmark. Adjust the height of the tripod so that it is around chest height. Use your legs to make sure that the tripod legs are pushed into the ground so that the tripod does not move. The next step is to attach the total station to the tripod. Open the box holding the total station and take it out carefully not to drop it. Make sure you're holding it from the top and bottom. Rest the total station on the top of the tripod, but keep your hand there so that it doesn't fall. Attach the total station to the tripod by taking the fixing on the head of the tripod and screwing it into the hole located on the bottom of the total station. Next, turn on the total station by pressing and holding the power button. Wait for the machine to load. Once loaded, press the F2 button to turn on the laser. Locate the red dot on the ground. It will most likely not be on the benchmark, which means you will have to adjust the location of the machine. This is easy to do. Unlock the total station by rotating the fixing on the tripod, and using both hands, slide the total station carefully so that the red dot on the ground is directly on top of the benchmark. Then, lock the total station in place again. Afterwards, there is a leveling bubble located on the total station. This bubble needs to be in the center of a circular marking so that the machine can be leveled properly. To get the bubble where it needs to be, open the locks on the tripod legs and adjust them by moving them up and down accordingly. This is important as the machine needs to be leveled correctly in order to make accurate measurements. After adjusting the tripod so that the bubble is centered, it is likely that the red dot has moved a little from its original location. To fix this, open the lock holding the total station, and like before, simply slide it into place using both hands and lock the machine again. On the screen of the total station, you will see a diagram showing the X and Y axes and their values, as well as a black dot. You will need to use the 3 foot screws on the total station to level the machine and get the black dot in the center of the diagram. When adjusting the level of the total station, turn 2 of the foot screws together in opposite directions at the exact same rate to isolate the direction of movement. You will see the black dot in the diagram move as you're adjusting the foot screws. The goal is to get it within -20 and +20 minutes for both the X and Y axes. Next, use the third foot screw to adjust the other axis until you have the correct values for the minutes and the dot is in the center of the diagram. Your total station is now level. When looking through the machine, use the big knob to focus the view and the smaller one to focus the crosshair. Use the 2 knobs near the top right of the number pad to lock the view into place. This will be helpful as the machine is very sensitive to movement. Before you start measuring with the machine, you will need to know the height at which the total station is at. Using the measuring tape, measure the distance from the benchmark to the indented line located on both sides of the total station. Congratulations, you have now set up your total station correctly. Thank you for watching.